Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I will be trying this mold by IntoResin, and I have used a lot of their mold. All of their molds are really unique, and I will be bringing you some very amazing and beautiful mold by them. So first of all, I will be starting with this one. This is such a crazy beautiful mold, and it is a crystal Druzy mold, and I have taken a heart shape mold for this. So this is the mold I am opening. I will link this in my description with a 20% off, and you can treat yourself. So I'm super excited to try this one. This is such a big Druzy mold, and this is the measurement of this Druzy. And after that, what I will be doing here is that I will be placing this Druzy inside this mold. So this is a quite large mold, so I need a very deep mold for making the unique item that I want to make. So I have mixed my resin here. Please note that I have taken a very low viscosity resin because I really want to get the effect out of this Druzy mold, and believe me, this is going to be a crystal like resin. I hope what I have vision I will achieve that. So let's start. So I am fixing this inside the mold and making sure that it is fixed properly because I don't want the resin to go underneath this Druzy mold. So very slowly I'm going to pour this resin. So this is, since very low viscosity resin, this is meant for deep pours, so the bubble will release itself, and it is perfect for making this sort of resin creation. So little by little I'm going to add the resin. In this way the resin settles itself and the bubbles release. And I left it for a few minutes, and now I'm pouring some more resin. So in this way I will be pouring the resin and filling it to the top where the Druzy ends. Although this looks really simple, but there is little techniques if you want to follow and if you want the look to be bubble free. So make sure that you pour your resin very slowly. In this way there will be chance that you get very less bubbles. I'm not going to say that this is going to be 100% bubble free, but still you will see the results in the end. So after pouring the resin, I am going to leave this to cure, and I have a little bit of Druzy left, so I left that to cure, and now it's time to use this beautiful fantasy film by IntoResin. Now the quality and the colors of this fantasy film is really amazing, and I just love this how it looks like. There are so many colors, you can see that. So I'm just going to cut it roughly in the shape of a heart, and I'm going to put that on the top of this. So here you can see that I have made the shape, and now I'm going to cut the heart. So it's all cut out now, and I'm going to put this into the mold now. But first of all, I'm going to fill this up with the resin so I can't see the resin anymore. And while I'm pouring the resin, I just want to thank you everyone for your amazing support and kind comments. I do read each of the comments, and I accept all the suggestions that I have received from my lovely followers. And all your suggestions are always welcome, and I do follow them. And if I don't, I will try my best to make my videos better. So here I'm going to put the heart. So there was another way I could have put this beautiful fantasy film, but I'm doing this for now, and I will show you that one next time. I had another idea that I might crush this into the and then put this, but in this way it releases more color. But this time I'm just going with the simple way. And after putting this fantasy film, I'm just going to fill this up with the rest of the resin. So again, I'm using a very low viscosity that is meant for the deep pores. Just fixing this up. So when I was fixing it, I saw some bubbles, so I just turned it over and now you can see some more bubbles. So I use some heat gun, and after that I will leave this to cure and I will see you after 2 days. So this is after 2 days because this is a deep pour and it do takes a lot of time to cure. So it's best that you demold after 2 days if you want to have the perfect results. So it is a deep mold, so it is taking some time to be coming out. So it is out of the mold after a little bit of struggle, and now it's time to remove the Druzy. So I see that there is a very thin film of resin underneath, but this is not an issue. It will be simply removable with the help of this heat gun. Just a little bit of pushing here and there and it is about to be coming out. I'm super excited to see how this is going to turn out, so fingers crossed. And this is how it's looking like. It's beautiful, and I'm just going to show you, and here you go, how amazing this is. The sides and the depth, you can see the drizziness, and this is the back. It's so pretty. I really don't have any words. And a little bit of touch up I just needed for this one because the mold that I have been using has been used a lot of time, so it is a bit on the dull side. So I'm going to do a little bit of top coat on the sides, and then you will be seeing the beauty of this mold. But still, it is amazing, and you can see the Druzy. So this is the UV resin. You can use a normal epoxy resin also. I will be doing a little bit of top coat. I will be showing you the results now. So this is the final result, and these are the close-ups, and you can see how gorgeous this is. This is after the top coat, and everything has changed now. It has become more crystal clear. So far away, if anyone don't know, it is looking like a glass like crystal. I'm just in love with it, and this mold is amazing, so sparkly. Wow. So rest of the video, I'm going to be showing you the sparkly drizziness of this heart now, and what other things you can do with this one. Beautiful. It has been transformed itself into a trinket dish now. You can use it as a paperweight. There are so many things. You can make this a memorial piece also. So there are so many options. It's really up to you however you want to make this. I just made it crystal clear using the fantasy paper, but you can add a little bit of any color, just a little drop of it, a blue, a purple. It's going to be something else then. So this is it for today, and I hope you liked it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments. And also I will link everything in my description, the mold, the fantasy film in my description with the 20% off discount, so you can treat yourself. So like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.